Hey there! Do you want to feel more vibrant and get the most out of every day? Stick around because we've got some life-changing tips just for you. Imagine infusing your daily routine with habits that not only boost your health, but also your happiness. It's not just a dream, it's totally achievable. Let's dive in. We all face hurdles in keeping a healthy routine, be it the rush of daily life, struggling to find motivation, or simply not knowing where to start. It's easy to get overwhelmed, to choose convenience over health, or to skip the activities that nourish us body and soul. But here's the good news. Integrating healthy habits into your life can be simpler than you think. Family morning stretch. Every morning, we kick off our day with a family stretch. It's a fantastic way to wake up our bodies and bond. I challenge Mimi and Zay Zay to reach higher or touch their toes, turning it into a fun game. Stretching together not only keeps us flexible, but also injects a dose of laughter into our mornings. Hydration station. Staying hydrated is key to feeling great, so we've each picked out a water bottle that we love. Mimi and Zay Zay have covered their bottles in stickers. I encourage drinking water throughout the day with these fun bottles, making it a healthy competition. It's a simple way to ensure we're all getting enough water. Colorful plates. One of our favorite things is making our meals look like a rainbow. It's an easy rule of thumb for nutrition. More colors mean more variety of nutrients. Reds, greens, yellows, and every color in between make it onto our plates, making each meal not only nutritious, but also a feast for the eyes. It's a creative way to keep us all excited about healthy eating. Brain-boosting breakfast. A nutritious breakfast sets the tone for the day. Our go-to is oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. It's delicious and keeps us full and focused. Whether it's for school or work, a hearty breakfast fuels our brains and bodies, keeping our energy levels steady. I always say, start as you mean to go on, and that means a good breakfast. Active playtime. Physical activity is a must in our family, and we make it as fun as possible. Whether it's kicking a soccer ball, dancing, or playing tag, moving our bodies is a priority. It keeps our hearts healthy and our smiles wide. Plus, it's a great way for us to spend quality time together, creating memories while staying active. Mindful moments. Incorporating moments of mindfulness into our day has been a game changer. Taking a few minutes to breathe deeply and connect with our surroundings brings a sense of peace and focus. It's a practice that benefits us all, teaching Mimi and Zay Zay to appreciate the present moment. Even a few deep breaths together can make a big difference in our overall well-being. Screen-free time. Allocating screen-free time encourages us to explore other interests. From board games to building forts, we cherish these moments spent away from digital distractions. It's a wonderful opportunity for us to bond and lets our eyes and minds rest. Finding joy in simple activities enriches our family life and brings us closer together. Family reading time. Every evening, we dedicate time to reading together. It's a calming activity that fuels our imaginations and strengthens our bond. Whether it's adventure stories for Zay Zay or something educational for Mimi, these moments are precious. Sharing stories fosters a love for reading and is a peaceful way to wind down the day. Creative cooking. Cooking is another way we bond as a family. Trying new recipes and experimenting with healthy ingredients is always an adventure. It's not just about the meals we create, but the memories we make. Working together in the kitchen teaches Mimi and Zay Zay valuable skills and the importance of nutritious eating, all while having a great time. Gratitude practice. Ending our day by praying and sharing what we're grateful for has brought us closer. Whether it's being thankful for each other or the little moments throughout our day, This practice deepens our appreciation for life. It's a simple yet profound way to reflect and connect, reminding us of the joy and love that surrounds us. Vocabulary words. Hydration. Meaning, the process of making something absorb water. Example: to improve our daily hydration, we each chose a colorful water bottle to carry with us, making it easier and more fun to drink water throughout the day. Nutritious. Meaning, providing the nutrients needed for growth and health. Example: we strive to make every meal nutritious by including a variety of fruits and vegetables, ensuring we get all the vitamins and minerals our bodies need. Consistency. Meaning, the quality of always acting or behaving in the same way. Example: maintaining consistency in our morning routine, like our family stretching session, helps us start every day energized and ready for what's ahead. Gratitude. Meaning, the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Example: we end our day by expressing gratitude for one another and the positive moments we've shared, which strengthens our family bond. Fulfillment. Meaning, a feeling of happiness and satisfaction, especially from doing something important. Example: cooking and eating meals together brings a great sense of fulfillment as we all contribute to the preparation and enjoy the results. Stretches. Meaning, forms of exercises that extend the muscles to increase muscle flexibility and joint range of motion. Example: doing stretches together in the morning not only improves our flexibility, but also brings a playful start to our day. The magic ingredient? Consistency. It's about making small, manageable changes and sticking with them. Picture this: waking up feeling refreshed, tackling your day with energy, and ending it with a smile, knowing you've done something good for yourself and your loved ones. So, we've shared 10 simple yet powerful habits that can transform your life. Each one is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Now, we challenge you to pick one habit and start today. Share your journey and the habit you've chosen in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and grow together. Remember, a small change can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.